Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Voicenote tool. The icon looks like this microphone with the piece of paper. It can be found on the writing toolbar, the resource toolbar, or the study skills toolbar, which is this one. This tool allows you to insert voice notes into a Word document. Simply click where you want to add the note, and then click on the icon. Select Start Recording. The preamble was the last article added to the Constitution. From here, you can choose to then resume recording, you can choose to replay the recording, save the recording, or finally insert it into the document. This icon appears to show you where the voice note is. Click on it and choose Open to hear the voice note. The preamble was the last article added to the Constitution. This tool is wonderful for editing because it allows you or reviewer to leave voice messages on things you might want to work on or even parts that are really great.